In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can integrate ClickUp with Microsoft Outlook. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, go to the left panel and click on More and then click on Apps. This is where the integration happens. So, simply search Outlook on the search bar. And as you can see, there are four types of Outlook material right here. For this video, let's choose Outlook Mail. Now, as you can see, I already have an account connected, but let's for example connect another account. So, after clicking there, you would be redirected to another tab wherein you're going to type in the work mail that you wish to use. Then, Microsoft would ask for verification and for permission. And after that, as soon as you see this, it means you've successfully connected or integrated your Microsoft account to your ClickUp account. And that's it. So if you find this helpful and wish to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.